Good morning, students. Welcome back to your accountancy subject. As usually, we are going to see the trial balance from this chapter. So, from the first book, we know that we are with the last chapter over here. See, as the syllabus is deducted, as you will be knowing that. So, almost let's proceed with the trial balance. So, here in the trial balance, maximally we are having the three methods. Almost one in the previous session one method was completed. So on three methods today we are going to solve the illustration. So almost the question what we are going to solve over here, the illustration I have already sent you all, the same things will be taken over here and calculated. So let's go for one total method, then balance method, then lastly the total come balance method in today's session. So first you have to remember these things, which account will be credited and which account will be debited. So almost we have discussed about it. So regarding the entries as well, see wherever the ledger accounts will be there, when it is a debited and when it is credited, that if you know the journal entries, see when any of the ledger accounts are there, you have to first identify which are the journal entries. Then it comes under the heading of debtor or creditor that we are going to see. That is what debit or credit will be there that you will be seeing over here. So this is debit first and credit and ledger folio, and almost the first thing will be accounts. This was the about the total method. So let's proceed with the total method. See, as per the things, what this total method means. See, as I have given you all the ledger accounts, what we are going to solve over here, the illustrations. Almost few of the time they will be giving here a particular wise the information, or some of the time they may give you all the ledger accounts as well. See, if the ledger accounts are there, on that basis you are going to find it out. The total method should be solved or balance method, whatever the information is present in that, that you are going to solve over here. So here almost the three methods, whichever are there, the total method, the balance method and total come balance method, both this, all three methods we are going to solve. So almost the first, let's go for the total method and the balance method. See one by one the information as in the ledger accounts it has been presented. Yes. So here
Yes, sir.
the first information about the Rawat capital account. So what is the total balance of this Rawat capital account? Total balance. Total balance is what is the total of that ledger account. What is the total of that ledger account? It is, are you all there? I want a reply from
Yes,
your
sir.
side.
Yes, sir.
So, what will be the
Yes,
answer for
sir.
that? Which it is? What is the total amount? Yes? What is the total amount? Fast. You have taken that or no? Illustrations what I have sent you?
Yes, sir.
Then you have to answer me fast. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Reply. What is the answer for that? Don't say only
60.
yes. Route account. Okay. So, as accounts are there, first it comes with the Rawat.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes, sir.
60,000 it is.
Sir, 60,000.
60,000. It should be debited or credited?
Sir, credited.
Sir, debited and debited.
In the ledger account it is debited. So here what we are going to take? Rawat account.
Sir, credited.
Credit side. So
Yes,
see,
sir.
when there is a capital entry, when you are bringing the capital, almost it will be in the cash or bank. Okay. When there is a
Yes,
capital you are getting in, the cash will be debited, then the capital will be credited. So these things,
yes,
if you remember, almost all the things will be done easily. So as I had given you all the
sir.
workload on the rules which we require it, the 5 points,
Yes,
everyone has written, I think
Yes,
so.
sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So this will be the 60,000. And let's go for this as well. Both methods one by one will get over here.
Yes, sir.
The amount in rupees. See, this is the total and this is the balance method. So debit, credit column
Yes, sir.
taken here. So
Yes,
next,
sir.
as usually, Rawat capital account. Rawat's capital is how much over here?
Sir, 60,000.
60,000.
60,000 only it is. Whichever the method comes,
Yes, sir.
almost it will be credited only the capital.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first got over. Then next. Next, Rohan's capital account it is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the total for this?
Sir, 40,000.
40,000 total it is.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Check it out what all information is there for that first. Cash, we are having cash 40,000.
40,000.
Okay. Then 20,000,
Balance.
total is 60,000. Total balance is 60. And cash
Yes, sir.
is 40,000. So here we are having both entries. Remember one thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here two entries we are having. We are having here which one? Cash is there. And one more, the total is there. Means cash is debited, and one more 60,000 amount is
Yes, sir.
credited.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's get here. What is the name? Rohan it is. Rohan.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
in the first thing, what we are going to take over here? The cash. Cash is how much here?
Sir,
40,000.
40,000.
40,000.
Then what is the total of this account as well? Yes, what is the total of this? Check it out, the total of this account. Even this is a 60,000. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So finding out these things is most important part. Then you can
Yes,
get
sir.
entries very easily. So next, what we are having? Machinery account. So
Yes, sir.
what is the machinery over here?
So 20,000 it is.
20,000 is the
20,000.
total. Okay. Machinery
Yes,
is
sir.
got it. And even depreciation also has been given here.
Yes, sir. 3,000 it is.
3,000.
3,000 depreciation is almost credited over here. See,
Yes, sir.
you all are having the entries. So what we have
Yes,
discussed in the previous
Yes,
session,
sir.
the depreciation will
Yes,
be debited or credited.
sir.
Yes,
Depreciation, sir, it will be credited.
credited means you all know at least what it is.
Yes, sir.
So machinery, what is the amount of machinery?
Sir, 20,000.
Yes, sir.
Total is 20,000. Okay. Then what is the depreciation?
Sir, 3,000.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
3,000.
3,000. Okay, done. So come to the next one. So second method I have not written about the Rohan's capital. Tell me the Rohan's
Yes.
capital.
Rohan's
Sir,
capital.
20,000 in credit.
How much?
Sir, 20,000.
20,000.
Yes, sir.
What is this? Balance method. Whatever he is the balance, that only we are going to take here. So then next one, machinery.
Yes, sir.
What will be this amount?
17,000.
Sir, 17,000.
The question arises, how you said 17,000?
So the depreciation is there, no, that we have to minus from the total.
Yes. So always it will be depreciated, it will be removed out. 17,000. Okay, done. Come to the next point. So what is the next point over here? which is the next account? After the machineries, we are having Rahul. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Rahul's
Rahul's
account.
account.
What is the total of this Rahul's account?
Sir, Rahul's account total
So 75,000.
75,000. And we are having here the cash balance. Now here we are
Yes,
having
sir.
it as a credit side,
Yes, sir.
right? So this,
Yes, sir.
okay. So here you are going to remember which account we are going to debit and which account we are going to credit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So almost coming to the first part, total account. So Rahul, what we are going to take here? Which amount we are going to make debited? Yes. What is the total of that?
Sir, total 75,000, sir.
75,000. The total got completed. And one more, any of the adjustments are there in this?
So cash
is 55,000. Even
5,000.
cash is 55,000.
5,000.
Okay, done. So down over here, come to the balance method.
Yes, sir.
What is the balance of this person, Rahul?
so 20,000.
3,000.
20,000. Here we are saying here where it is credit side. So where we are going to take this 20,000?
So debit side.
Sir, debit side.
20,000. Okay, done. So how much? 4 accounts we have done with now, the ledger account.
Yes,
So what is the next one?
Yes.
Sales account.
Account.
Sir.
Sales
Yes.
account we are having the total of the sales is almost 70,000.
70,000.
Yes.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
balance also is 70,000. Here nothing is being
Yes,
told
sir.
remaining that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So it is same as it is.
Yes, sir.
Sales is how much? Debit or credit?
Sir, debit.
How it is debited? Yes, Dilshad, I need to know how it is debited.
So because in ledger accounts it is given credit side, so I thought that it is will be debit side.
For sales, what entry we take? Yes. It will be credit. You need to know why, because sold goods for rupees 20,000 cash
Yes, sir.
if we are taking, or credit if we are taking, we are going to take their name first. Sales account debtor, what you are thinking, right?
Yes, sir.
So here,
Yes, sir.
when it is on the cash basis, what you take? Do you remember if it is on cash?
Sir, increase in asset is debited and decrease in asset is credited.
So here sales is asset for you.
No, sir.
When you sell it, what you get?
So profit.
Revenue, not profit. You can't say
Yes,
profit,
sir.
revenue.
Revenue.
So what is the rule for the revenue?
Sir, increase in revenue is credited and decrease in revenue is debited.
So what will be the sales will be done over here?
Sir, credit.
Now you got the things.
Yes, sir.
Sales is great,
So sales
70,000.
is credited. Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move for the next account. So what is the
Yes,
next?
sir.
Which is the next? Cash account they
Cash account.
told here. So what all
Yes.
things will come from cash account? The total. Let's see. See, sales by balance 50,000.
So cash account is total 1 lakh.
Total 1 lakh got completed.
Yes, sir.
Then many other things also are there here
Yes, sir.
in cash account. So what all things are there? Check it out. See, in the balance method, almost 43,000 it will be coming in the cash. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
calculate the things, remaining things. Yes. See, Rohan, 40,000 is there. Then this wages 5,000 is there. Then purchase 12,000 is there in cash.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the total of this?
So 57,000.
Yes, almost 57,000. So cash. Cash is how much over here? 1 lakh.
Sir.
1 lakh.
What is the remaining
Yes, sir.
amount now? What we calculated over here in that? What all things?
57,000.
57,000.
Yes, sir.
57,000. This got completed about the total. Now balance, come to the balance method. What is the balance remained over here?
So
Cash balance,
43,000.
43,000.
Yes, sir.
It is debited or credited?
Sir,
So it is debited.
It should be debited or credited. How much it is?
So 43,000.
yes,
3,000.
sir. 40,000. Sir, debited and credit.
Credit is nothing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, come to the next ledger account. They have told here wages.
Yes, sir.
Wages, you are paying the expenses. Expenses are debited or credited?
Sir, credited.
Credit.
How? Expenses,
Sir, because we are paying, it is decreasing.
decrease in asset it is?
No, sir, decrease in expenses.
It is decrease in expenses? No. It is increase in expenses. So increase in
Increase in
expenses, what it will be taken?
Sir, debited.
Debit.
So almost you have to remember this. Wage is,
Yes,
how much
sir.
rupees it is? 5,000, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
5,000
sir.
is
5,000 cash.
debited. Then coming to the next one, wages. The total is how much? As usually it is
Sir, 5,000.
5,000 only. Okay, done. So even this is a 5,000
Yes, sir.
amount. So even we've ended with the wages. Come to the next one. What it is next one? Depreciation. Even the depreciation almost it is what you are going to make the expenses.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Depreciation. So what is the amount? 3,000.
3,000.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So even this got completed. So one more account is, I think it is remained. What it is? Purchase account. So what purchase account we are going to take over here? Here it is debited or credited? When you are making the purchases, the assets are increasing. So you are going to increase the asset over here. So increase in assets, debited or credited?
Sir, debited.
Sir, debited.
Having the confusion still?
No, sir.
Yes. Or else you all want any extra work?
No, sir.
See, there should not be any of the confusions regarding the rules. If you know the rules, accounting rules, it is very easy to know you. So purchase, both the purchases, tell me the total of the purchase. 62,000? Okay, done. And what, even this? 62,000, down also. Balance also is 62 only?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So make the total of the both the sides and check it out. It is getting tally or no?
Yes, sir.
Both side total, this both side total should get tally. That
3,50,000.
3,50,000, which one?
So trial balance.
3,50,000, check it out the amount.
So the 3,05,000.
Yes, that only 3,05,000.
5,000.
Okay, down one. Both the side have got tallied.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So down one, check it out. Down balance for balance method.
Now, so wait.
Make it very fast. See, while you will be providing me the answers, that time you have to copy down the same things as well.
Sir, 1,50,000.
1,50,000.
Sir,
Both side.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these both methods got completed. Now we are going to see the total come balance method. So this all the things what we have mentioned over here, the same things we are going to put over here. So in this account, as usually, account title, then ledger folio as usually.
Yes, sir.
So next what we are going to take, debit total, credit total,
Yes, sir.
then debit balance, credit balance. So
Yes, sir.
everyone can see till the corner, or I need
Yes, sir.
to show the camera.
No,
Just,
sir.
just a second. We can make the adjustments over here. Now you are able to see this.
Yes, sir.
Let's see one by one the information. First, it comes to the Rawat, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Rawat capital.
Yes, sir.
Rawat capital. What is the total of this? Total is
Yes.
60,000.
Sir, 60,000.
Yes, sir.
And here
Sir,
60,000.
60,000.
There is no debit total, right? We are having
Yes,
only
sir.
credit
Yes,
over
sir.
here. Then next it comes to the Rohan, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Rohan's. How much it is? Two entries are
Sir.
there for this. So
Yes,
in
sir.
debit we are having 40,000 and credit
sir.
we are having 60,000.
60,000.
And down only credit 20,000
Yes, sir.
in the balance.
20,000.
Yes, all the things are correct here. Next, machinery.
Sir, 20,000 in debit and 30,000 in 3,000 in credit.
20,000
Yes.
is debited. Then 3,000
Credit.
credited. So down 17,000 debited. Done. Machinery got completed. Then come to the next, Rahul.
Yes, sir.
Rahul, both side 75,
Yes, sir.
75,000 and 55,000. Next, here Rahul, 20,000 only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done. Okay. Next, what we are having? Sales.
Yes, sir.
Sales 70,000 in the credit column, and here even the same 70,000 in the credit column.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
this cash. Cash is how much? 1 lakh in the
Sir.
debit column,
Yes, sir.
57 in the credit. Done. Then
Yes, sir.
coming to the balance method, it is 43,000 only.
Yes, sir.
Next, after this, wages. We are having wages. Then I will write here depreciation.
Yes, sir.
After this, purchases.
Purchases.
Purchases we are having. Then
Yes, sir.
wages is almost 5,000. We are
Yes,
taking
sir.
as a total.
Debit.
There is no credit. Then coming to the balance. Balance is as well 5,000. Done. Wages got completed. Then depreciation. Depreciation is how
Sir,
much?
3,000.
3,000. In the
3,000.
same debit column, 3,000.
Debit.
No credit
Yes,
column.
sir.
Then again for same balance method as well.
Sir, debit only.
Then coming to the last purchases.
Purchase
Purchases is how
account.
much? 62 only.
Yes, sir.
2. There is an increase in assets over here, so it is debited over here. So
Debit.
this thing has
Yes.
to be remembered by you. Then coming to the other side, there is no credit. And total balance side, it is also 62,000. Done.
Yes.
So almost whatever the entries we have taken are almost the same.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
How? See, check it out. We'll make the same things as the answers are same over here. The same things we are going to
Yes,
take
sir.
over there. So
Yes.
first 305,000, 3 lakh, 5,000.
Yes, sir.
Next one is 1,50,000.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So almost this all three methods in combined illustration or the problems we have completed. This is the first method.
Yes,
This
sir.
is the second one,
Yes, sir.
and this is a
Yes, sir.
third one.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
almost,
Yes, sir.
if you all are having any of the doubts regarding this, you can raise. So this we have completed. Now
No
it
doubt, sir.
comes with the further discussions to the rectification of errors. So that we
Yes,
shall
sir.
be discussing further.
Yes, sir.
Now regarding these concepts, the
Yes,
illustration
sir.
whatever are been given for you, they will not be
Yes.
giving as what we have done now. They will not provide you the ledger accounts to find it out in the examinations. So almost the accounts what previously we have done, any of one of the single method may be asked, just like the total or balance method, by providing you the balance or the totals of these accounts, just like the Raut's capital is 60,000, as previously what we had solved the illustrations on this. So
Yes, sir.
see, the
Sir.
one thing, the one thing what you are going to remember is the 5 rules. When there is an increase in asset, what we have to do? When there is increase in liabilities, it is credited or debited. That things, if you remember, so this is nothing for you. See, accountancy whole subject is dependent on that 5 points.
Yes.
What you have done now. So if after this, if I found you any of the student is missing that rules, if anyone is going wrong, then you will face it. See?
Yes, sir.
Also,
Yes, sir.
let's wait for this. So almost we have got time up here.
Yes, sir.
We'll
Yes, sir.
move further for the theoretical concept, and we are going to further find out the search out the errors, and we are going to rectify them, remove the errors. Just like some
Yes,
of the
sir.
time we'll be having certain errors while maintaining the account. What we have to do, that we'll be discussing in the next session. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.